What's cold, crisp, and quietly sitting on millions of dinner plates every single day? It doesn't demand attention like a juicy steak or spicy chili, but it's always there, tucked into burgers, layered in tacos, or forming the base of a salad bowl. Yes, we're talking about iceberg lettuce. It's one of the most widely consumed vegetables in the modern world. And yet most of us have never thought about where it comes from, how it's grown, or why it's still a staple, despite the rise of flashier greens. Today, let's take a journey from seed to table and uncover the full story of this humble vegetable. And hey, if you enjoy stories like this, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next one. The life of an iceberg lettuce starts in a place that looks incredibly ordinary, a nursery bed filled with neat rows of tiny green sprouts. But behind that simplicity lies precision. Iceberg lettuce is a cool season crop. It thrives in rich, well-drained soil with just the right mix of moisture and sunlight. Farmers often prep the fields months in advance, tilling, rotating, testing pH levels. The seeds are sown in trays first, kept warm and moist inside greenhouses. After 3 to 4 weeks, when the young seedlings are strong enough, they're transplanted into open fields. This is where the real work begins. Water management is crucial. Too much moisture can rot the roots. Too little, the heads stay small, bitter. Drip irrigation or overhead systems are used to maintain a perfect balance, sometimes adjusting flow daily, depending on the weather. And then come the pests, aphids, leaf miners, mildew, small enemies with big impact. Farmers use integrated pest management techniques, beneficial insects, rotation cycles, and in some cases, organic sprays to keep the balance without harming the crop. Depending on the region, planting schedules vary. In California, planting happens nearly year-round thanks to its mild climate. In colder states, it's seasonal, spring and fall mostly. And here's a little-known fact. After transplanting, only about 85 to 90% of lettuce seedlings survive. So precision really matters. After about 70 to 85 days of careful tending, it's time to harvest. But here's the catch. The window for picking iceberg lettuce at its peak is short. Too early, and the heads are small and loose. Too late, and they turn bitter, overgrown, and unsellable. So how do farmers know when it's ready? By feel. The perfect head is tight and firm, dense but not rock hard. Experienced hands can tell just by lifting it. In most regions, harvesting is still done by hand. Workers move down the rows, slicing heads with a sharp knife, trimming leaves, and loading them onto mobile carts. Some high-tech farms are experimenting with robotic harvesters and image recognition software to spot ripeness. But human intuition still wins in many cases. On average, a well-managed field yields between 20 to 30 tons of iceberg per hectare. But getting it off the field is just the beginning. Harvest labor is intense. Time is critical. From cutting to cooling, there's often just 2 hours to preserve freshness, because once it's picked, the countdown begins. From the field, the lettuce travels fast, often within minutes, to a nearby processing facility. Here, the heads are inspected. Anything bruised or damaged? Discarded. The rest go through a series of steps: cutting, washing, drying, and packaging. In 2023 alone, the world produced over 4.5 million tons of iceberg lettuce, with the US and China leading the charts. Keeping that much lettuce fresh and safe? No small feat. Lettuce is washed in chlorinated water or food-grade sanitizing solutions. Ever wondered if that affects the taste? It doesn't. The solutions are carefully balanced and rinsed immediately to avoid residue. Then comes the drying, using air tunnels or centrifuges to remove moisture. Excess water leads to rot. Dry leaves mean longer shelf life. Finally, packaging, in nitrogen-flushed bags under hygienic conditions, meeting standards like HACCP or FDA food safety codes. From farm to store, every leaf is tracked. Some plants even use vacuum cooling technology, which removes heat from the inside out, locking in freshness before the produce hits refrigerated trucks. Once it leaves the factory, iceberg becomes something more than a vegetable. It becomes an ingredient. What makes iceberg so versatile? That unique crunch, the clean taste, the sturdy structure. It doesn't overshadow other flavors. It simply carries them. In the US, nothing's more classic than a wedge salad. A quarter head of iceberg, blue cheese dressing, crispy bacon, diced tomatoes, and a sprinkle of red onion. It's a texture party. Crisp, creamy, salty, fresh. In Mexico, you'll find iceberg lining crunchy tacos, keeping the shell dry, the flavor bold, and each bite refreshing. In the Mediterranean, it's tossed lightly with olive oil, pomegranate seeds, feta, or oregano, part of colorful meze spreads. In Korea, iceberg isn't just food, it's a utensil, a wrapper for smoky grilled meat, garlic, and spicy gochujang sauce. Today, iceberg is in ready-to-eat meals, boxed salads, pre-cut for burgers, even layered into convenient sandwiches. And here's why many kitchens choose iceberg over other lettuces. It holds up. It stays crisp. It doesn't wilt under pressure. It doesn't need the spotlight, but it always delivers. Not all nutrition comes in flashy packages. Iceberg lettuce isn't a superfood, but it offers something most people need: hydration. With 96% water content, it's one of the most hydrating vegetables out there. Perfect for office workers, athletes, or anyone just trying to stay cool in the summer heat. It's also rich in vitamin K, key for blood clotting and bone health. Just 1 cup provides over 20% of your daily needs. You might not notice its effect today, but long-term, it's a silent supporter, especially for those staying active or aging gracefully. Need more fiber? Go with romaine. More iron? Spinach is your friend. But if you want something light, crisp, and easy to combine with everything, iceberg is your reliable go-to. It fits everyone, from the fitness-focused to the grandparents looking for gentle, easy-to-digest options. From seed to soil, sun to harvest, field to factory, iceberg lettuce has taken quite a journey. It's not the hero of the plate, but it's a steady companion, reliable, refreshing, always there when you need it. And maybe that's what makes it special. Its simplicity, its silence, its staying power. If this journey made you look at your next salad a little differently, give this video a like. And don't forget to subscribe for more stories about the hidden lives of everyday food.